Hi, it's been a week since I put out a Shed Wars video, and it's forecast for 40 millimeters of rain today, and it's pouring outside. So I'm going to just give a little update on our seedlings here. I'll zoom in close. You can see what the seedlings look like just as they come up. This is the butter crunch lettuce. Oh, the label fell down again. And this one here, looking like beets, it's baby Swiss chard. The Italian parsley, none of them have sprouted yet. Latino kale, they have all sprouted except for one, so we have plenty of plants here. These are our bouquet dill. They seem to need a little bit more light, but in a little while we'll pot them up and we'll plant these leggy seedlings a little deeper. Our snowball cauliflower, there's one up, but then there's another one coming up right there. So we got 2 out of 4 so far, and as we said, we planted twice as many as we need. We have all 4 from the early round Dutch cabbage, and sometimes it sprouts and it has trouble getting the seed head off. You see here, it looks like this one is struggling. It might get the seed coat off, but right now it's struggling, whereas the rest are up and growing. That is the lettuce mixed greens, and over here is the salad bowl red lettuce. We only had 3 little garlic chives that sprouted, and I took them and put them in this cup, and I will explain why I put them in that cup all together when I actually plant them out in the garden. But that leaves us with only 1 bunch of garlic chives when we go to plant, instead of the 3 that we were planning for. This was our original plan, and we had the 3 garlic chives right here, but I reduced that to 1, and I took the yellow pear tomato, which is over here, and I moved them. So now, see, yellow pear tomato, technically they only need 1 foot, and the chives can grow fairly well underneath the tomatoes. They don't need full sun. So now we have the 2 yellow pear tomato and the 1 bunch of chives there in the 1 line. I took this salad bowl red lettuce and I moved it over here. And then I took these bunch here and just move them that way, and then I have that. So we'll have the yellow pear tomato and the dill over there, and our salad bowl red lettuce over here. Just a little update. Like I said, it's pouring rain outside, and it's been a week since my last Shed Wars, so hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.